Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Divinity Unleashed in Xenoverse 2. Start by finishing the core story and unlocking all time patrol missions, then clear every parallel quest tied to the story arcs. Check your quest log for new NPC markers and revisit key hubs after major battles. Save before major fights and prioritize missions that mention divine or hidden power rewards to ensure the trigger conditions activate properly. Make sure your character meets the hidden conditions that allow the Divinity Unleashed quest to spawn. Focus on completing time patrols, parallel quests, and story rewinds tied to the relevant saga. Talk to each NPC in the hub after major mission completions and trigger unused side events that mention divine themes. Keep an eye on your quest log and revisit earlier missions if the new marker does not appear yet. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers for fast snacks between sessions. They keep food secure and save time. I find a tidy setup helps me focus on tricky quest triggers and long grind runs. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Follow a methodical approach to increase your odds of unlocking Divinity Unleashed. Finish every related parallel quest, then head back to central hubs and exhaust NPC dialogue options. If the quest fails to appear after a victory, reload your save and re-trigger the cutscene sequence. Streamline your build to clear missions faster and focus on mission chains that reference divine encounters or hidden rewards to align with the spawn criteria.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.